Lighting is pretty good. It's day 2. I bought ice cream. This is so cool. Any class? So it's day 2. It's day 2 and I still didn't do the ice cream yet. So this is me. We're going out to buy some fruit for Babuka.
My heart is sad and lonely. Yo.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. How very kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hey.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hey.
My strawberry kisses.
Peace. Good night. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Wow! Hey guys, so I just want to wish you Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. Well, today actually is the first day of Raya, so I had so much fun and of course ice cream, and I made it. Jadi, the ice cream jadi. I just want to say that thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I think that's all for today. Bye! Ano ba?